You will need 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of sugar, 4 grams of baking powder, and 2 grams of baking soda. You will need 3 grams of vanilla extract, 330 grams or 3 overripe bananas, 2 eggs, and 70 grams of melted butter or oil. Mush all of the 3 ripe bananas and add all of the wet ingredients together. And pour all of the 3 grams of vanilla extract inside the mixture. And once you're done that, mix all of that up. Once you're done that, mix all of the dry ingredients together. Strain the dry mixture in the strainer and take away the crumbs. Once you're done, mix all of it up. Put the baking cups into the muffin tray. Use an ice cream spoon to put the mixture in the muffin tray. And in this mixture, you can make exactly 12 muffins. Bake it for 20 minutes at 375 degrees Celsius. Make sure to have a parent to take it out for you.
Thank you for watching this video.